everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Jumutia Jara. I'm student from University of Malikul Saleh, major accounting 2025. Now, I'm in Memane Tuna village, Mora Batu district, North Aceh Regency, Nangro Aceh Darussalam province. I report directly from the state area which was previously exposed to fall to this day. The conditions in this area are still very disturbed. The remaining roads still cover the route and year of the residents. They lost their valuable treasure, motorcycle, clothes, and some even lost family members due to fall. We can see the citizens still don't have a place to live because they lost their home and they also always look good food and clothing. First, I saw reports from the BNPB that on 20 of December 2025, for harder 72 the date and 20,759 displaced souls. We can all the consequences of these faults really have a bad impact on the people who don't know anything. Flood occurred in the area caused by high rainfall. The falls Aceh Dor several days in a row and illegally. We can see the water crying style of the wood to the residential are full with the constant rain. Can we imagine how afraid they are we fall hit on house, divide his family member and break access at the crossroad. There are also economic impacts that are experienced. Many residents have the severe losses due to the made electronic houses, furniture, economic activity stop, and many buildings are destroyed by the residents cannot do activities as usual. What shall we do to prevent polluted people are its fights not to throw garbage into the river which causes waterfall. And the most important, let's go together to keep for forest and earth. Through the government regional budget to channel logistics is distinct for fight health service and infrastructure. But it's very unfortunate that the falls that had in Aceh, North Sumatra and West Sumatra.